So hello my dear students. Now in my previous I have explained you what are the portions in maths has been deleted as CBSE syllabus. Now in this series we will just see science portion. CBSE science portion, what are the chapters were deleted. Okay, now I think you just pause the video, bring the book, textbook, Science NCERT class 10, and bring and just take one copy pencil also, because maybe if it is required you can write the part which has been deleted. Okay, so I think you all have brought copies and textbook with along with your pen. Now take out. You see, few chapters were so important that full chapter is included. So in all, I think 16 chapters were there. Out of 16 chapters, you see chapter number in chemistry, chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations, and chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts, completely included, not deleted, because these are two important chapters, chemical equations and acid, bases and salts. So those two chapters are important. It is included, not deleted. Now come to chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metals. Take out page number 45. There, occurrence of metal is deleted. So from page number 49 to 54, all part were deleted, because that comes under metallurgy. Metallurgy is in another process. Metallurgy is a process how raw metal is detected from how original metal was detected from its ore. That is metallurgy process. Now come to chapter number 4, that is carbon. Take out page number 63. There saturated, unsaturated carbons are there. Deleted. Page number 65, chain branches in different ways carbon compounds are formed, that is also deleted. Now from page number 67 to 70, the soap formation, missile formation, everything is deleted. Okay, page number 67 to 70, whatever parts included in that particular page numbers is deleted. Now, chapter 5, periodic classification of elements, it's a must. It's an important one. Now come to the bio part, lesson number 6, life process. Everything is important. Everything is important. So no deletions. Now chapter number 7, control and coordination. Okay. So there also most of the parts has been deleted, only human brain and few things, means half of the chapter is deleted, half of the chapter is included. Means if you leave out this subject also, if you go through some basics, what is control and coordination, it's enough. No need to go detailed study of that particular chapter. Now lesson number 8, how do animals reproduction is important. It's a must. How do organisms reproduce? It's completely involved. Lesson number 9, heredity and evolution. Here page number 147, 9.3, evolution, delete it. Now in the same page, acquired and inherited traits, that part also deleted. Now come to lesson number 10, reflection, human eye. Reflection complete portion is there. In human eye, you have to go through some structure, and no need the defects of eyes, that myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, these are not required much. You just go through what are the basics, myopia, visions and all. No need of go to the details of that one, but few things: why stars twinkle, why the sun rises we see 2 minutes before, that is important. Okay, now come to lesson number 12. Electricity is included, everything, full chapter will come. Now chapter number 13, magnetic effects. Page number 236, that is electrical generator. From 236 to till end of the chapter, that part is completely deleted. Completely deleted. Now lesson number 14, sources of energy. Only few conversion, why, what is energy, only basic things. Remaining complete chapter is deleted. Complete chapter. Only just go through the basic things. What are energy, what are solar energy, only that thing means, and remaining everything, no need to go detail of that one. If you leave out that subject, that particular chapter is no matter. It's completely. Now remaining two chapters, that is chapter number 15, our environment, chapter number 16, management of natural resources. Both are very important. It's very essential. It's a knowledgeable questions regarding the environment and all. It's must. So this is what the revised CBSE portion of class 10 science. I think if you have, if you have missed some of the parts, you can make rewind it, go through it. Every student must see this revised portion. According to this, you prepare your examination. And once again I am telling you, this part is only for this academic session 2020 and 21. Due to the COVID-19, our educational department, Sri Prakash Javadekar, has given the order to all the education departments state-wise to revise the syllabus according to your needs. So this is what CBSE has given a new syllabus. Go through it. Both I have given you, maths also as well as science also. You just give more pressure to those which are included. Okay, till then, bye.